my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you guys are so very welcome indeed. I know I have a grin on my face and I'm looking a little silly. But today's episode is all about what? Bronzing. A lot of you say, Fumi, you look fabulous. I know. With a lot of help. Guess what that help is? Hold on. It is, my darling, Saint-Tropez. What? I just thought this was for white folk, for Ula. No, it is not. It is for women of color too. When you want to have that fluid, long, endless, fabulosity body, that summer beach body, you go ahead with Saint-Tropez for that fluidity. And when I tell you, it kind of takes off like 10 pounds. You're like, Fumi, what are you talking about? Honey, when I tell you. So I'm wearing my little sweater, as you can see, because we are going to go up onto the rooftop where I take off everything. I will have a before so you can see what I look like, and then we're going to do an after, and you're going to see what this beautiful tanning mousse does. I wanted to introduce this to you guys because Christina and I went to an event and they gave this to us and I was like, what? Tanning mousse? And I used it, and when I tell you that I looked flawless, 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 flawless. So we're going to go upstairs and we're going to try it out. This is one of the sponges. As you can see, I've been using this. I know. I told a lot of lies. I'm sorry. I'm telling you now. I think I have a clean one. And so we'll start with a clean one. And I'm going to do the whole body. And you're going to see what it looks like. Thank you, Saint-Tropez. This is not an advert. This is not a paid gig. This is really showing you that women, my dark complexion, are so. You can wear this and you can look fabulous. Without any further ado, let us take everything off and let us go upstairs. Guys, what I am doing for you guys. So here I am in my undies, literally, and I want to show you what I look like before I use the Saint-Tropez tanning mousse. So this is moi, you know, I'm a little shy. Do I have to turn? I don't want to turn. Okay, let me turn.
Quick.
Look at Did you guys ever watch Carry On Camping? Ask your mama and papa. So we are going to go ahead now and we're going to put on the tanning mousse. I let it sit for a little bit, and when I tell you gorgeousness, and you look toned and you look tighter and slimmer. So here we go, okay? What do we think? Do we live? Do we love? All right, my darling. So we have the Saint-Tropez, and this is the coconut paradise fragrance. When I tell you I'm like this chocolate coconut sweet, I can't keep Ula off of me. It's a tanning mousse and we have it in dark, okay? And this is the flawless tan with instant color. I love it. I love it so much. And I have two gloves here, a new one, and I have one that I've already used. Let's use the one that I've already used and use it completely. So what you do is that you can, I spray it onto the hand sponge like so. I'm going to put it onto my skin, and you just literally put it all over. I'll do one leg first so that you can see the difference to the other one. And I love it. I love it. I love it. I couldn't believe how fabulous my legs looked with this. And so yes, what do? I tan. Fumi what? Fumi tan. Yes, I do. And I'm sharing it with you guys because I know in my heart that you're going to love it too. Okay? Look at the difference already. Can you see it?
But doesn't it transfer to your clothes?
No, it does not. It does not. It dries and it does wash off. You can wash it off in the bathroom. But what I like about it is that it just gives my legs this beautiful one tone, you know, one complexion. and I live for it, and it gets darker, you know. So here you have, and here you have without. You can literally see the difference. Yeah, this leg as well. I usually do this without any clothes on.
Up here,
All over my hands as well. And you just let it really just take it. Again, your underarm. There you go. And right away, I begin to feel very fabulous with myself. Ula asked a question, does it transfer? No, it doesn't. It's kind of sort of like wet, and then it dries. Once it dries, that is it. Are we living and loving? Let me turn around. And there you have it, guys. You want to go out for your special occasion, you're going out on vacation, you feel as if I need a little, you know, enhancement, some color, some punch. This is it. Gorgeous. Do we live? Do we love? And like I said, it gets darker. It gets darker, and they have different tones as well. But I like this shade. I like dark. I like to go even darker. But I just love this. It just makes me feel really confident, you know. And definitely for sure if I'm doing it, you know, for you guys. It is, again. Ola is bullying me. He is. He knows I need him for filming, so he's torturing me. Anyway, darlings, do we live? Do we love? Do we live? Do we love the fabulosity? I love it. It's given me so much more confidence. I don't know why, but it has. And I did not know that Saint-Tropez has tanning mousse for my complexion and darker, because they've got like a deep dark, then they've got like darkety dark or something like that, but they've got a whole bunch of fabulous shades. And when I tell you I just wear my slinky white dresses, yes I do, for Uski, my little bikinis and stuff. I wore 2 bras today, one that didn't seep through this bra, and a full panty because, you know, it's YouTube. But yeah, you know, the legs, the torso, you can put a little bit of baby oil, coconut oil on top of the tanning. You just glisten. Your chocolatey chocolate comes right out. And I love it. It gives me the confidence. I don't know what to tell you guys, but I do live. I do love. So let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. I'm just really tickled pink that we have it for our complexion now. I love it. I tan officially. Yes, I tan. If you see me out on the red carpet, trust and believe that I tanned my body all the way through. It dries. It doesn't transfer. Different shades, like I said. And that is it. So don't forget to like, to subscribe, to hit the notification button, and I will see you guys. I'll see you guys sooner than later. Ula, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, my loves. Mwah.